Okay, so just placed a live trade on the FTSE after waiting for the first few 5-minute candles to form. Let's have a quick look. So we're bouncing around. I'm in the area. Did an initial attempt to push out at 8 o'clock. Bit of indecision, and as soon as we broke higher, should have been a bit early. Should have gone in around a couple of points earlier, but wanted to make sure I was using the trade calculator to make sure I wasn't over leveraging myself. So we prepped it on the trade calculator, and since then we've broken north, which is a good sign. Initial targets is this next area. Drill down to the wider time frame to be able to see. So this initial area is the first target, so another 12-15 points or so for this trade. So it was a trade based on the first few candles of the day. Looking like it's going in the right direction so far. Again, in fact, I'm going to do this now as we speak. I'm going to look at bringing that protected bank up. Bring that to break even, which is fine. So that's at break even. And then we may even look to just take a bit of profit around this area should we get there. But for now, let's just see what happens. Okay, so we have moved the, as I said in the last update, we've moved the stop loss to break even. Just wanted to, my thought at the moment, we've got this bit of a few touch points here from yesterday, where we have touched up and hit these zones. Also use an initial bounce off, push away, and then we broke through. Then it did push back up later on and hit this same region or same area. So again, we've touched it here. And it looks like maybe I should have been a bit more focused on that, especially on the smaller time frames, and use that as a target. Would have seen, I think, what would that have been, a 10 points, so £150 return. So it looks like this is about to close out as I'm talking anyway. But yeah, I think that's an okay trade. Should have got out. I should have considered really those resistance areas further back across around here. Maybe that should probably be my target. Again, it comes down to, do you let it run, or when to let your profits run and when to take them ultimately, which is something still working on. Stop loss is below the bottom of this candle. Originally we were down here. We are below the bottom of this candle, so if this does look a bit more positive, then something I need to consider. But it's a tricky one, in the sense that if these areas, this area particularly here, basically you line that up, it's kind of the initial target or potential stumbling block they could have been aiming for. But yeah, with these sort of early trades off the first few candles, maybe I need to limit my my risk reward element. As you know, with the swing trade, look for 1 in 4. But here, maybe I should be looking to take profit because they are such, short, quick trades. But for now, we'll I think I'll let it run and see if we do push higher through the course of the morning. But yeah, okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so just closed the trade out manually. Hit my daily target for £200 profit. It's a little bit of indecision on the chart. As you can see, trade was around here, pushed up, peaked into the previous resistance zone, which was my initial target. Bit of a pullback, I said pullback, slight retrace on a couple of candles. We pushed back in and decided to take the trade at that point. I think the one thing I do need to learn, and I think it's a good thing to get into, is whilst I always look for on the swing trades, maybe on the hourly chart I'll show that better. I'm looking to take a much wider time frame run up to these areas. Sorry, not to these areas, sorry, start that again. Once we're down the bottom and we're looking for the higher range, then I need to have bigger stop losses and longer time periods. But for now, for the shorter trades on the smaller time frames, you've got to be looking for the quicker target based on the candles. As you can see, we had a bit of a pullback, pushed up again. Likely to stumble around here, so it's a good opportunity to take profit. So happy with that short-term trade. 13 points, and the daily target of £200 profit reached. So happy with that.